Right, that's it then. She's 99.9% done. A couple of little bits that need sorting out. I'll probably polish the footrest a little bit more, the exhaust as well. I've started on that this morning, but it's getting freezing cold now. Front of the bodywork's been sorted as much as we can get it perfect. I didn't do that, a mate of mine did that, Mark. There's a couple of little scuffs on the forks that'll need doing. New screen's been ordered, supposed to be here today. Chain guard, I bought one, says it was for this bike. Lies, absolute lies. Just a little bit in the cockpit really, that just needs a good kind of blowout and a bit of bullshit gel thrown in there. But it's been an absolute labour of love, and she's ready to rock and roll now, so there we go.